the Government of the Federation, Mr. President, the Coordinating Minister of Director,
distinguished fellows all over Nigeria, all other government officials, to our royal fathers, my presence there is to give meaning to your gathering. The war against preventable diseases is the responsibility of all of us Nigerians. And I'm here as a leader to respectively say that the responsibility is yours as the traditional ruler. We've listened to this statement of commitment. It is with great honor for me to have listened to you carefully, making this commitment to improve the health quality of Nigerians in your domain. I've listened carefully and I've worked with the Honorable Minister, Coordinating Minister for Health, Professor Mgbeke, to say thank you in the presence of all Nigerians here present. For team leadership that you have demonstrated, quality leadership, commitment to duty, and effort to get Nigeria healed. We will not let you down. We are doing a good job. Today in this hall, we have an intergenerational, institutional, and interfaith gathering, a meeting of wisdom, faith, courage, youthful energy. The gathering in itself is a symbol of Nigeria we are building. Inclusive, united, and committed to renew the hope of our people. The key word here is hope. Nothing is achieved that is for good without a hope. And we pledge that we will do everything possible. I refer to November last year during the Health Sector Joint Annual Review. We expanded the Universal Health Coverage Compact to include traditional and religious leaders, civil society, and the private sector. Your strong presence here today underscores a key truth. No health reform in Nigeria can succeed without you. You are trusted voices, bridging the government and the people, interpreting national policy and serving as moral anchors. Your engagement is central to the actualization of Nigerian health sector. Renewal investment initiative will recognize that the sources of our goal, saving lives, reducing physical and financial pain, and producing quality health for all Nigerians depend on your leadership. You have remained steady in sustaining the trust of your subject, bringing clarity, faith, and assurance in the face of misinformation or fear. This, for us, is a great opportunity to leverage to strengthen the health of our people. Thank you for being a stabilizing force, our national development effort and traditional conscience. The traditional and religious leaders summit on earth is deliberate and strategic. It is the foundation of a new national alliance for earth that we want to foster, because the government cannot achieve the goal of reform alone. We're asking for your partnership. One, to strengthen maternal and newborn health, because far too many mothers and newborns die from preventable causes. Two, improving immunization outbreak response, because communities listen to you before they listen to the government, and you are often the detectors and responders of any epidemic. Strengthen nutrition and food security, because you can impact household daily decisions, rally the community to participate in social actions, to avert food insecurity, and ensure that support reaches the people who need it most. We want a achieve cultural reform and able to communicate down to the last man in chain. Our commitment in action. Our administration has taken bold steps to rebuild trust through transparency and decisive action. We just need your support. And I'm very much appreciative of your commitment here today. You have the support of this government. You have the commitment. The state government are your subjects too. Call them back home. Work with them. Work with the local government, including councillors. The head fellows here present will work well with you. Let's find solutions to areas of conflict. Respect each other's culture and the value that we believe in. We can move Nigeria forward greater and faster, and we can achieve the goal. It is in your hand. We are working with the state governors, local government, chairmen, and other partners to aggressively improve functionality of our primary health care facilities across Nigeria. Check the ones in your area. Send a message out there. to look at that neighborhood or health facilities. And if they don't exist, write to the local government, write to the state government, write to us. We will respond. If we don't do it now, nobody will do it for us. That's why we are here. We want to make sure that we have the resource that's necessary to care for our children. I heard that you've touched the most important foundation of malnutrition, food bank, and other areas of challenges this morning. Mine is to give assurance to you that we will do it with you. Where it's lacking, we will expand emergency transport and ambulance services to ensure Nigerians receive timely care when they need it. And last year, we introduced the National Health Fellowship Program, meritoriously selecting the bright young Nigerians from all 774 local governments to serve as embedded system operators. They are here, ready to do the job with you. If what one demonstrates that frontline challenge and passion are transformative, I am proud of their contribution to national development, including improved coordination, enhanced data usage, and fight against maternal death and childhood illnesses. Campaign against drug abuse and restoring health in health services is also included. So the fellow cohort 1, I want you to reaffirm the promise that I'm making you. We are working to secure your career paths through federal structure and support from development partners. I'm also aware that the Honorable Coordinating Minister of Health and his team have requested the state government to host a fitting graduation ceremony for you in your states. As you complete your fellowship, I thank you on behalf of a grateful nation and urge you to carry the spirit of altruism with you, because it will bring great rewards. The cohort 2, you are the driving force that traditional and religious leaders will count on to fulfill the commitment they made today. As the operational backbone of this National Health Alliance, bring structure where systems are weak, data where decisions lack, clarity, and energy where communities seek hope. You are the youthful force behind Nigerian health transformation. The National Health Fellowship Program represents a new Nigeria where talent and competence help you reach your full potential. This administration recognizes and believes in the potential of our youth. We will harness your energy to fuel our renewal and create opportunity that provide you with dignity, purpose, and pathway to leadership. Today, I stand here with pride. Pride that our young people are proving yet again that Nigeria's future is not something to fear. It is something to look forward to. To the Federal Ministry of Health and Social Welfare, state government and all our partners, I thank you for keeping this vision alive. Thank you for your service to our dear country. As I conclude, I affirm my belief that this gathering will usher in a new era of health and honor for our people. To our traditional rulers and religious leaders, your influence is vital to today's reform. We honor and we need you. To our health fellows, serve with honor, humility, and courage. The nation believes in you. To the generality of our people, the challenges of terrorism, I must comment on this before you. Thank you for your collaboration. Thank you for your being informative. Thank you for your perseverance. The economic reform going on is yielding good results. Nigeria is out of the dark tunnel in macroeconomic prosperity. The challenge of banditry and terrorism will be defeated with your cooperation. We are working around the clock, engaging all possible partnerships. We will win the battle. Thank you very much. May God bless Nigeria. God bless all of you.
And heads of MDAs here present, Your Excellencies, distinguished sector, members of the diplomatic corps, representatives of the fourth estate of the realm, non-governmental, since the early hours of today, Your Excellency, to be part of this, to form and engendering that they institutions at the heart of Nigeria's health sector for translating health economics to all the improved since the Tinubu administration. On behalf, particularly those that are watching, and on behalf of the, it has been a moment of commitment, total, absolute commitment. We have been extremely gender balanced. So thank you. We're moving forward. Bring on to the microphone His Royal Highness Alhaji Amin El Kanani, CFR, the Sheikh of Borno, who is able to know himself, who is here. Alhaji Badani, you are please welcome to, haven't been a seasoned diplomat himself, but today, you're welcome.
Excellency, not only on historical and cultural traditions, to promote positive health behaviors and dispel harmful misinformation.
I think the most important aspects of life is food security and health. This program has taken the two parts in relation to nutrition. On behalf of the Tribal Institution of Nigeria, Mr. President, under your leadership, once again.
And his team, we are now more competitive personally, there were several speeches. We listened carefully. A very high honor on Sunday go. In my own part of Nigeria, in the southeast, we see